In today's video, we're going to learn how to assign all users from a specific domain to a single group. Firstly, you'll need to create a group rule. To do this, navigate to the Directory section, proceed to Groups, then Rules. From there, click on Add Rule. For example purposes, let's name our rule Test Rule. This is where we'll make use of the Okta Expression Language by selecting it. You'll then incorporate the following expression language pattern. Remember to replace example.com with the specific email domain of the users you wish to assign. It showcases how all users with email addresses formatted as userexample.com will automatically be assigned to the example.com group. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.